Welcome to my channel. My name is Kayode. In this channel, I give information consistently on how to empower you for financial freedom. I also give information on how you can become an entrepreneur and be successful in your business. I also give information on how you can advance in life and in all that you do. Remember to subscribe to this channel immediately and turn on the notification bell. If you do so right away, I will be sending you regularly videos on how you can improve your life, your finances, and your business. Today, I want to speak to you about 5 passive income sources from which you can make money even while you are sleeping. Now, all over the world, everyone is looking for additional sources of income. The woman wants are insatiable, but the means to meet them is very, very little. So everyone is looking for passive income to be able to meet the bills. Number 1 passive income source is royalties. What are royalties? Royalties are money earned by you from allowing somebody or an organization use your property or anything that belongs to you. Royalties include money earned from the book you write that you probably give to a publisher to publish for you. You wouldn't give him money to publish the book for you, but you earn royalty from every copy that is sold. And for life, for as long as that book is very relevant, you begin to earn this money. So, what are the books that you want to write, that you have been talking about for years, that you haven't written? You better begin to write it right now. And you could write educational books, you could write fiction, you could write gospel books, you could write faith-based books, you could write anything. Anything you have passion for, just begin to write. So you earn royalties on books. Under royalties, you could also earn royalties from allowing a telecom company to use your property for erection of their mast or their equipment. This you keep earning every time, and it's usually a huge sum of money. So you could earn royalties from the use of your property by a telecom company. And you could be smart about it. All you need to do is just to go out and check, move around your community where your property is located. And if you suspect that in that community or within 10 kilometers or 5 kilometers, there is no presence of that particular telecom company, then you could go to their office wherever you are and then talk to them, and they will come and inspect the property. It's just a very small portion that they will use to erect their equipment or their mast. And you begin to make money from there for a long time. You could also earn royalties from the use of photographs. Many of us, we don't know that our smartphones can make a lot of money. I'll be showing you, so I'll be teaching you on how you can use your smartphone to make a lot of money. Many of us don't know. Now, your smartphone, you can use it to take pictures, even while in traffic. And a newspaper company will buy it. Right today, now we have thousands and thousands of bloggers. We have thousands and thousands of websites who are really, really doing good, and they will pay so much money for a photograph. Now, if you are going out and you have seen a good scene, all you need to do is to take the photographs or take the motion pictures and send them to media houses, to TV houses, to newspaper houses, and they will use it, and you charge money for it. So, not only that, you could also sell photographs to some organizations international organizations that pay heavily for photographs, and they begin to pay you royalties from the use of photographs. So your smartphone is not just meant to listen to somebody say, hey John, how are you? No. It's not just to do that. It's meant to make money for you. Your smartphone is meant to advance you. It's meant to increase you, not to diminish you. So you need to make use of your smartphone, that phone in your hand that you are using to watch me. You need to make use of it effectively to make money. You can do a lot of things with it to make money. You can also hand royalty from the use of either your bicycle, your car. If you have 2 cars, you don't need 2 cars. If you have 3 cars, you don't need that. It's a waste. It has become a liability when you keep 3 cars in your garage. That has become a liability. The rich don't do that. So all you need to do is get one out of the garage and release it for Uber or Lyft, wherever you release it, and you'll be earning royalties. So they will be paying you money. You'll be earning income from that, and that income is royalty. You can also make royalty from music, your music that is being played. For example, if your music is being played on high tone, you make some money. There's a percentage that is paid to you. If your music is good and they keep playing it, iTunes will pay you. And not only iTunes, there are also other companies that pay royalties on music that is played on songs. So, are you a musician? Do you have a talent? Do you have a gift in music? Please start right away. Start right away. That could be a source of money. That could be a source of income that may liberate you from poverty. The second source of making passive income that could help you all through your lifetime, even by just doing little or nothing about it, is amazing link sharing. Amazing link sharing. Amazing is the biggest e-commerce site all over in the world. And you know that the man who owns it is one of the, if not, I think, the richest, at the time I'm speaking, the richest in the world. And they sell thousands or thousands, if not millions of products, all kinds of products. All kinds of products, and they ship it all through so many countries in the world. So people are making money from that area. How do you do it? It's very simple. You begin to share it. Just share a link. If you have a website, you have a blog, all you need to do is just to put the link of a product, and you can put the link of so many products. You put the link of a product on your website or on your blog. Those who watch you on YouTube, or those who the viewers that come to your website, they will see the link, and then once they see the link and buy, you earn a tiny percentage, say 5%, without doing anything. But more importantly, you need to review that product, and it's very simple. One of the things you can do is just to order. You order that device or that good from them. When you order that good from them, you buy it, and then you review it. Particularly when the product is just coming out, you review it, and then you direct your viewers that there's a link down your description, and that they should click on the link. Once they click on the link and they make a purchase, Amazing will credit your account instantly. How do you do it? It's very simple. Go to amazing.com, and then you will see open an account, and then when you you register, you open an account, you fill your account details, and then all of this will be sorted out. So all you need to do is to just put the Amazing link on your site, and then do a product review, short product, or just a mention, and then ask them to go down the link on your YouTube channel or your blog or your website to click if they want to buy. And as soon as they buy, Amazing will credit your account. But you've got to register first. Number 3, the third source of passive income is dividend growth investing. Dividend growth investing. What's a dividend? A dividend is a portion of a company's profit that you invest in that is shared to you for your investment. But this one requires some money, but you've got to start somehow. And when you carefully choose some blue chip companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, and Facebook and others, you earn a lot of Walmart also, you earn a lot of money. Because these are blue chip companies, these are high-tech companies, including Amazing. These are companies that are doing well all over the world. Now, it requires a lot of money to invest in these companies, but you've got to start whatever you have. You've got to start. You don't wait until you have all the billions. You've got to start. So an income will be a portion of the company's profit will be shared to you, and quite a number of people are making a lot of money. Now, this is the time to say, oh, there's economic recession. This is the time to invest. The best time to invest in human history is the time when the economy is down. So this is the time to invest. And you continue to earn the dividends even while you are sleeping. All the days of your life, the money begins to come. Now, one of the good things about this dividend growth investing or dividend income investing is that you own, you become a shareholder in the company. Not only that, they begin to pay you dividend, and then also you could also have income appreciation from that. Now, it allows you to invest rather than wasting money on things that you don't need. It makes you to be frugal, and that's why it is good. And you begin to earn income, very passive. You begin to earn income from your investment in the stocks. Number 4, real estate. Real estate is very, very secured anywhere in the world. Very secure means of passive income without doing anything. Once you invest in real estate, you could buy, you could purchase a property that is already built. You begin to make money. Once the property is in place, you begin to make money. Not only will you make money from the rent that is collected, you could also get money. You make money to pay your mortgage. You take a mortgage and you buy a property. Not only will you be able to get rent, you will also be able to pay the mortgage. So you have income that is consistent. Income from the rent that will be paid by the tenants. You can also stay in a portion of the apartment, and then you rent the other one out. So you get money consistently. Not only do you get money consistently, even when you leave the earth, your children and your children's children will continue to benefit from the income from the property. So it's very good. So I want to urge you to invest in real estate. And for those of you who are in Africa, you're saying, no, that place is a bush. That place is, no. Right now, invest. Don't wait. There's so much risk. No. If you look at the risk, you will never invest. You will never have a property. The time to invest is now. Whatever money you have, invest in property. I know it costs some money in the US, in UK, in Europe, and America. Maybe you need to have $500,000 US to, but it's just mortgage. If you plan well and you do not squander the income that is coming in, you'll be able to pay your mortgage without any stress. So real estate is very, very good. It's a source of income that comes in constantly. It is secure. It gives you peace of mind. It secures your future. And it secures the future of your children and your children's children. The last source of passive income I want to talk to you about is selling of eBay products. Selling of eBay products. And you just go to ebay.com right away after this and check it out. Now, when you sell products of eBay or eBay products, you earn a commission. And all you need to do is simply to look for suppliers or buyers of their products. So once you get buyers, they give you a commission for selling their products. But I advise strongly for you to be able to make impact. When it comes to eBay products, you need to find products that have low prices, that are not too expensive. Even for amazing links. So you need to find products that are not too expensive. Number two, you must also be very, very good in marketing. Talking to the prospective buyers. Then, number three, you must be able to understand the costs. And all of this, you can get all of this information if you Google online. You can buy or sell on eBay. So you are just serving as a middleman, what we call middleman in the local language. So you can buy or sell, but you must be able to find a reliable supplier. You must be able to find a reliable supplier. That's number 4, to succeed. Number 5, to succeed, you need to set reasonable prices. So all of this, if you take that into consideration, you find products to buy and resell, and you could also find products to sell and get buyers, and you make money. All of this, all you just need is to contact, to reach out, and let people know through your website or whatever that you have this to sell, you have this to buy, and all of that, and then you make your money. So selling eBay products or selling on eBay is a sure source of making money. Now, I've discussed 5 passive income sources that will give you money consistently. But of course, you need to work hard. Anything that you do at all, you need to work hard so that this income will begin to flow. There's no limit to how much you can make. That depends on your hard work and how marketable you are. So if you want more of these videos, I want you to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. As soon as you do so, I will notify you every time we have the videos so that you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching. See you.